Me not stand for foolishness and you know that. So him could not go out with all everything there and live under my roof. Him was a good boy, Sarge. They making my son look like a gunman. He never hold a gun in his life. You mad? And stay away. Before that, me broke him to and then me can't trust the police, Sarge. Me come to you because me know you. That you are innocent.
The people them a try sabotage my business with this clean energy foolishness. Me no want to hear about no more mishaps. I want you to start escorting my trucks from now on. Anything will go wrong and you me are all responsible. Is that clear?
Simple. Yes, sir.
Then Ivory, how you gonna manage with Detective Hunter now with all of them things we King a put you upon?
But about Sebring Panda.
Big man thing. You know, so Detective Hunter come by the lab today and investigate all the shooting.
Look like the boy father go to him. Not say nothing.
Nothing will stop the delivery of them trucks though.
They arrive on Highway 95 doing 260 miles per hour towards the convoy.
Wagwan top cop. Me hear through the grapevine, see you reopen the top of your case.
Grapevine one cut.
These trucks are Tricon Services property. They are fully automated and will deliver your goods where you need them. All you have to do is program their route. You won't get anything faster than these.
Time to get shelled down, top cop. Well, like you always have one like your name, perfection. Me I got change that.
Do what you do, my gun just a beg for bar.
Detective Sarge Hunter.
Excuse me, me never get your name.
I didn't give it.
Oh damn! The brother you not joke. I mean business.
The money's gonna get you, the money's gonna get you, the money's gonna get you, and you, and you. The money's gonna get you, the money's gonna get you, the money's gonna get you, and you, and you.
How was that? It look like me I said dopey.